How to connect the UltraPods, these wireless earbuds that you probably got from the Temu app, Alibaba, and you want to connect them to a Samsung phone with Android 14. Let's get started. So before doing anything on our Samsung phone, you'll want to make sure these have some battery life in them. And the key is to take these out together at the same time out of the case itself. Okay, and they are going to flash in red, then one of them will remain in a different color here like that. And you'll see it's going to start alternating with a green bluish color with a red, and that's the pairing mode state. Once you get them to do that like this, it's the pairing mode state, and you'll now go ahead, just simply rest them down. Then on your Samsung phone, you want to go ahead and use the quick panel access. And for Android 14, you'll see that when you pull it down twice, there's that big Bluetooth toggle here. You'll long press it. Then go to details first, then turn it on from here. This is going to give you a better view of what's really going on. Then you're going to wait for it to show up as TWS. Even though your box says UltraPods, it's going to show up as TWS right here, okay? Then when you see it, just tap on it, and you'll notice it's still blinking here. You'll press pair. Once you have it paired up, you're going to notice that the lights are no longer blinking on the UltraPods. Then you'll also see the TWS says connected. You'll tap on the settings here to enable it for calls and audio. And that is it. Like and sub.